Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about loader maintenance. So beside me here is the 590 Fendt loader that comes on the newer tractors. What I'm going to talk about also applies to 728s, 785s, 770s, any of the older loaders on any of the older Fendt tractors. So as tractors come through the shop, we're starting to see loaders that are basically almost worn out. Recommended intervals on replacing bushings and sometimes pins is about 3,000 hours. It's not an expensive proposition. It mostly just takes a bit of time. The bushings are quite cheap to do. The pins actually wear quite well. But what we'd like you to see you do is about every 3,000 hours, have a good look at those pins and bushings. They're easy to pull. Pull them out, get a new one from the parts department, get some new bushings, compare. It's quite simple and quite cost effective to do it before you wear into the actual metal or wear the pin out and something breaks, versus, you know, that $1,500–$1,800 to repin and rebushing a whole unit. So come and grab some stuff from the parts department, do some measuring. If you have questions, Nolan and Michael are more than welcome to help you out there. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.